The other type of queue that we can create is the first in, first out queue, also known as FIFO. This guarantees the order of messages when being consumed. It's limited to 300 transactions per second. Messages have a unique deduplication ID to ensure there are no duplicate messages in the queue. Since there are no duplicate, FIFO ensures exactly when processing. Messages are ordered based on the message group ID. To ensure order is preserved, each producer should use their own unique message group ID. To request or pull messages, your consumer has to specify a message group ID. It's possible to read up to 10 messages at a time. The SQS FIFO manages data in partitions across multiple AZs, but it's managed by you, like on behalf of you, by AWS. Each partition supports 3,000 messages per second with batching, or up to 300 messages per second for send, receive, and delete operations. You can't convert an existing standard queue into a FIFO queue. So here's an example. As you can see, we're sending a message to the FIFO queue, but there are a few little differences. Let me get my pen here to show you. The first is we're setting a deduplication ID here. Notice we can just set it to whatever we want. We have a message group ID as well. So those are the two key differences when you are sending messages. When I was doing the lab, I forgot how FIFO worked, and you'll see me going, what the heck, why doesn't this work? And then I was like, oh right, we have to set these two values. You can set high throughput. So this is a thing that you can enable on FIFO. It allows for 3,000 messages per second with batching, so 10 times greater than SQS FIFO Queue with compared to when it does not have high throughput. So you can turn this on by setting the FIFO throughput limit, the message group. I'm going to assume this costs extra money. But yeah, if you need more throughput, you can get it, okay?